Today we are hanging out in the center of London. We are near Tower Bridge. So we're just walking around today, enjoying our Saturday evening. After this, we're gonna go to a pub, enjoy a couple brewskis, maybe a little appetizer, and then we're gonna go to my favorite ever restaurant in London, Flat Iron. They have the best steaks with the best sauces and the best fries. So we can't wait to show you guys. But for now, let's enjoy the view of Tower Bridge.
Everybody knows Christmas is coming. Thank one and all. Time to hang your stockings, baby, and have yourself a ball. People all over this big world, they're getting ready to play. Kissing under the mistletoe and rocking the night away.
Made it to the pub with my little poodle. I got actually Guy ordered me this. What did you get me?
It's the Old Mound Cider, berries and cherries flavor.
Mm-hmm.
And I got a nice Heineken, same as Arturo.
Cheers. It's good. And if you, for some reason, grew up in a Hispanic household and your mom ever gave you Robitussin when you were sick, it kind of tastes like this. A little bit. But I like it, weirdly enough. So, yeah, we're having a couple drinks. We're probably going to grab something to eat, something to snack on because we're a little bit hungry. And then we're going to head to Flat Iron.
Can't wait.
We ordered some nachos, and it seems to have some pulled pork, some sour cream, some cheese, some jalapenos. Might be a little bit too spicy for Guy.
I'll have the jalapenos, don't worry.
And some guac. And I think we're going to do a little taste test. They're good because we're hungry, but I think I can make better nachos at home. But they're really good.
Tastes good.
Anyways, what does Guy think?
Tastes good. They could be spicier. So they could definitely be spicier, but it will look like it. They're probably not the best nachos I've ever had, but we are hungry, so it tastes pretty good.
Falling gentle and bright, candles glow in the winter night. Family's laughter fills the air. Hope the warm love is everywhere. It's the time of the year we love. Thank the stars and the moon above.
Okay, we made it to my favorite place ever in London. Flat Iron. I always get the same thing, just a steak, flat iron steak with a side of their homemade beef dripping chips. The best. And for sauce, I always choose béarnaise sauce. But they have so many cool different sides. Like, I think next time I come, I should try something else. But let me just redo some of the other sides they have. Crispy bone marrow garlic mash, creamed spinach, green salad, truffled macaroni and cheese. Now, I don't like truffle, but if I did like truffle, that sounds good. Roast aubergine, tomato, basil, and mozzarella. So a lot of good options. So we're gonna wait until the steak comes, and we're gonna keep vlogging because this is vloggable. This is really good steak, and it's so cheap. Well, it's not so cheap, but I think for good steak, you are paying a good price. It's only like 14 quid, which is, I don't know, like $20 US. So definitely worth it. Our steaks have arrived, medium rare with béarnaise sauce, a side of fries, the perfect meal. All right, look at the steak. It is perfect. It is juicy. It is beautiful. We're gonna dip it in some béarnaise sauce. Uh, it is so good. It is so good. You need to come here. If you come to London, you need to stop at Flatiron and order something, anything. Even if it's not steak, you're gonna love it. Recommend. And then to end it all, they give you this little knife at the end that you redeem for a little ice cream cone. And although it might be raining, it's always a good idea to have ice cream. Okay, so today is Sunday. We are at Notting Hill and we're just gonna walk around, see the cute little shops. I haven't been here before, so it's my first time. So far, so good. It's not too crowded just yet. So I'm very excited to see all of the antiques, and who knows, maybe I might buy a little something something, and then we'll have some lunch. So I'm super, super excited. Okay, the store behind me called Blue Door is known to have some of the coolest like patterned jackets. Talking about patterned jackets, I also just got a patterned tote bag. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. Look at this. It's so cute. And it's reversible. Please tell me it's not cute. Oh my gosh, I am obsessed, and it was only 15 quid. So now the store behind me has the same kind of like quilted jacket material, but in jacket form. So we're gonna check it out. Okay, so we just came out of the Blue Door shop, and I love every single jacket they have in there. It seems like the handmade ones are 220 quid, and then the other ones that I think are the viral ones, like the quilted ones, around 65 quid, but it seems like you can bargain. If I had more money right now, I would have definitely bought a jacket because they're so cute, and it would have gone so well with my quilted tote bag that I now have. But at least I have a quilted tote bag. Maybe the jacket will come sometime in the near future. But definitely recommend, if you come here, if you have the money, buy one quilted jacket. They are so cute, and they have so many options. It's like endless options in there. So yeah, the Blue Door in Notting Hill. Okay, we took the bus from Notting Hill to Hyde Park. So right now we are near the Royal Albert Hall, where I believe there's like a lot of ballets and events that go on in there. But I am just enjoying the sun because it has been very cold lately, and I am turning yellow, and I like being brown. I like being crispy. So I'm enjoying the sun. We're probably gonna walk around. I know that Winter Wonderland is actually happening right now. We might go there soon and maybe vlog that. Not today, maybe next vlog. We'll see. But yeah, we're just going to enjoy a little stroll down the park. Why not? And we might try some Basque cheesecake. It's near Hyde Park. And for the last stop of the day, we went to La Maritxu. I don't know if I'm saying it right, but it's right behind me. They have apparently some of the best Basque cheesecake. So we got 2 slices to go, and we're gonna try it once we get home. So we'll do a review in a little bit. All right, we just got back from our day out, and I have my Basque cheesecake with me. This better be good because this little slice was literally 6 quid. 6 quid. So it needs to be delicious. It needs to be the best thing I've ever had. So we're gonna see. I mean, so far looks very creamy. I want to be mad because the price was such a ripoff, but it is really good. It is really good. I do think it should be cheaper though. I don't think it should be 6 quid, especially for this small size. The most I would pay is like 3 quid, 3 quid 50, 4 max. 4 max. 6 too much. Is it good? Most definitely good. Super, super creamy. I've never had Basque cheesecake before, and this is just like so good. I think it tops like a New York cheesecake, I must say. 10 out of 10, but definitely not worth 6 quid. After the cheesecake, I made some dinner. Guy and I went to church club, and now I am tucked in bed, ready to go to sleep. So, see you guys on the next vlog. Bye.
Label the fear pushing down